Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company and SEO expert as well, and digital marketing consultant as well. So today I'm here with a new case study regarding Google Ads, which were disapproved for compromised site. And let me show you the niche in the website as well, so guys have an idea. This is a website charter bus service. They provide bus service and charters in Toronto and Southern Ontario. You can see over here, this was a website, and everything was perfectly fine. They provide charter bus, wedding bus, corporate events, sports event, conventions. So they provide a lot of stuff over here as well. So when the issue of suspension came in, I mean the disapproval came in, and for anyone who is running ads on Google and suddenly see that their ads have been disapproved or even suspended, either scenario, that is a very troublesome for the client, and they wanted to get it restored as soon as possible. So such was the case with this client as well. So when we got the case, there were the few suggestions which we gave to them. Let me show you those suggestions as well. So for this suggestion, we discovered some editing errors, including some page holder errors which we discovered. We also looked on the page speed. Page speed was very slow. Core vitals were having a very slow issues as well. We also discovered some dead links. We also suggested few more pages, some information on this, and then we thoroughly reviewed the website for any possible errors, malware, scanners, or any possible thing which can cause suspension for the client. So once we figured out and we did it, so we started discussing with Google regarding the account, and here is the account right now, and you can see that there is no more suspension, and the ad is, you can see, enabled as well. And I'm going to show you on the over here as well, tools, and in the policy manager, to give you the, you can see over here that in the appeal history, that you can see that the ad have been disapproved for, and it was completely failed. So you can see over here that this was a scenario with them, that they were not able to run the ad. So, and the website was disapproved. Now the website was disapproved means that we cannot even run a single ad for that website. And now if you I show you another ad where we are running it, you can see it's inactive and they are running it. Also, it's a smart campaign, and I do not recommend people to work with smart campaigns, but you can see over here that it's active. And in case if I show you the spendings, like you can see over here that in this week they got 89 clicks on Friday as well. So this also shows you that the, and you can see over here as well that both of the campaigns got impressions, some even got clicks as well. So this is another successful case study, and we didn't get it restored through by appealing the pressing the appeal button, but rather after discussing with the support. We are a Google partner company, and we have a dedicated support to get it restored. So this was a reason. And we have around various checks to figure out any problem in the website. And another thing very interesting and very important is that whenever there is a suspension for compromised site, and in case if you try to get it restored, you may see another suspension like unreliable claim or anything more. And this could be happening because now Google is concerned regarding your website. There may be further errors which you may need to get it restored or get it sorted out. So which is why it is very important to get the full account and the full website audit to see further problems as well, because now you are in the radar and you need to get it restored. So luckily, my team was on the constant support with Google to get it restored, to get it account resumed. The client was also very impatient and wanted to get it restored, and we can understand the situation here as well. Anyone would wanted to get it restored. So I very thankful to the client who was supportive, and yeah, they saw the final moment as well, and I'm going to show you that as well, so you guys can see that this was a winning situation for over here as well. You can see over here that we got a email that the account is good news. I'm happy to inform you that I received an update from the internal team regarding your query about the compromise site policy. your website is now clean and has been enabled from our end. There are certain scenarios where even if your website does not have any issues, but still it's being suspended for compromise site, unreliable claim, or any other issue, and that is because it may require a fresh scan from Google team, which is very essential to get it restored. Which is why you may need to hire a company like us to get it restored. So you can see that if we notice that your ad is currently post to activated, please re-upload that for automatic review. Most ads are reviewed within one business day. However, some reviews may take longer if the ad requires a more complex review. I hope this resolves your concern. If you have any other further question, please reply to this email and I will be glad to assist you regards to our needs. So you can see this is another case study, successful case study regarding the Google ads. Which were disapproved for compromise site, got it restored, re-enabled, reactivated. So all credits to my team. And in case if you need services regarding Google Ads compromise site, if your account is suspended, if your ads are disapproved, if you need management help, or in case if you need SEO, accounts management, even for Google Ads, Facebook Ads, SEO, Bing Ads, me and my team will love to work with you and make your campaign an awesome digital marketing campaign to be your winner. So with this, I like to end this video. In case if you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box. And in case if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video. And I request you guys to make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.